Imagine you're a new business owner. You've spent weeks building your website. You finally launch it, and after a few days, visitors start coming in. Some people even place orders or contact you through your website. Everything feels exciting. Until one morning, you open your website and instead of your homepage, you see a message saying your website has been hacked. Your website is down. Your customers can't access it. Google warns visitors that your site may be dangerous. Just like that, all your hard work is at risk. The scary part? This doesn't only happen to big companies. Many beginners lose their websites simply because they ignored a few basic security practices. So in this video, I'll show you the website security basics every beginner should know to help keep their website safe. What is website security? Website security is the process of protecting your website from hackers, malware, and unauthorized access. Think of your website like your house. You lock your doors, install security systems, and don't hand your keys to strangers. Your website needs the same level of protection. Without it, hackers can steal data, damage your website, or even take complete control of it. Why are websites hacked? Many people think, my website is too small. Nobody will hack me. That's a common misconception. Hackers often use automated tools that scan thousands of websites every day looking for easy targets. They aren't searching for your business specifically, they're searching for websites with weak security. If your website has an outdated plugin or an easy password, it could become their next target. Real-world ways to secure your website. Now that you know why websites get hacked, let's talk about what actually makes a difference. 1. Never trust every plugin or theme. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is installing dozens of plugins just because they look useful. Every plugin is another piece of code running on your website. If that code has a vulnerability, hackers can use it as an entry point. Before installing anything, ask yourself, is it regularly updated? Does it have good reviews? Is it downloaded by a lot of users? Is it from a trusted developer? And if you stop using a plugin, don't just deactivate it, delete it. Inactive plugins can still become security risks. 2. Give people only the access they need. If you're working with a designer, writer, or developer, don't give everyone administrator access. For example, a writer only needs permission to create articles. A designer may only need access to the theme. Only trusted people should have full admin privileges. The fewer admin accounts you have, the smaller your risk if one account is compromised. 3. Monitor login attempts. Hackers often use bots that try thousands of username and password combinations every minute. This is called a brute force attack. You can stop many of these attacks by limiting failed login attempts and enabling two-factor authentication. Many security plugins can also notify you when someone repeatedly tries to log in, so you know if your website is being targeted. 4. Keep regular backups, but test them. Many people proudly say, I have backups. But here's the real question. Have you ever tried restoring one? A backup is only useful if it actually works. Every few months, test your backup process so you're confident you can recover your website if something goes wrong. 5. Check your website like a visitor. Every once in a while, open your website in an incognito browser or on another device. Look for anything unusual. Unexpected pop-ups. Pages redirecting to another website. Strange advertisements. New user accounts you didn't create. Content you never published. Sometimes, these small signs are the first indication that your website has been compromised. Remember, website security isn't about making your website impossible to hack. It's about making it difficult enough that attackers move on to easier targets. Remember, hackers don't look for the biggest websites, they look for the easiest ones. So after watching this video, spend just 10 minutes checking your website. Remove unused plugins, review who has admin access, and make sure your backups are working. A few minutes of prevention today can save you hours of recovery tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the first security change you're going to make on your website?